Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about my project for 15112 course. For my project I used the Pygame library to create a checkers game. In this game there are 3 modes to choose from. You can either play against another player or against an AI. For the AI there are 2 modes, an easy mode and a hard mode. So if I click on 2 players it will start the game and I will get a screen with the checkers board set up and a message saying I can press E to go back to the start menu. When I click on a piece, it would show me the available moves for that piece. So for example, I can move the blue piece here. And now because it's the red's turn, whenever I click on a blue piece, it would not do anything. So now I can move the red piece over here and continue on playing. The game also allows a single and a double jump. For example, the blue piece here has jumped over the red piece and removed it from the board. Here is an example of a double jump, where the red piece jumped twice and removed 2 blue pieces. Whenever a piece reaches the end of the board, it becomes a king piece. So for example, the red piece here became a king piece, and it is represented by a yellow circle in the middle. King pieces can move both forward and backward. So for example, the red piece here can either move to the upper right square or the lower left square. At the end of the game, when one of the players wins, the game would display a message saying that one of the players has won, and it would automatically go to the start menu. And that is it for the 2 players mode. For the AI mode, it has all of the functionality explained for the 2 players mode, with the difference being that the red pieces are now controlled by the AI. For the easy AI, it always makes random moves. So sometimes it would jump over a blue piece and sometimes it wouldn't. To do this, I use the random library to choose a random piece and a corresponding move. Going back to the start menu, you can see that there is one more mode left, which is the hard mode. For this, I use the min-max algorithm to optimize the move the AI makes. To explain this, I will use a simple game tree diagram as shown, where there is a max player and a min player. The max player goal is to maximize its score, and the min does the opposite. So in this diagram, the max player has 2 moves, a left move and a right move. If it makes the left move, then the min player would have 2 choices, the move with a score of 3 and the move with a score of 5. Because it is the min player, it would choose the move with a score of 3, and now the left node would have a total score of 3. A similar process is done with the right move, and the total score for the node is 2. Because the max player goal is to maximize its score, then it would choose the left move. In checkers, there are a lot of pieces with many possible moves, therefore it would take a very long time to analyze the complete game tree. And so I use the depth approach, where only a few moves ahead are evaluated. I used an evaluation function to score each move, and the score is calculated as shown, where the difference between the simple pieces is added to the difference between the king's pieces. The function uses a factor of 1.5 to prioritize the difference in king's pieces. Finally, in this project I have gained an understanding of the min-max algorithm and how to implement it specifically to checkers, which was slightly challenging to do. I have also gained a better experience with object-oriented programming. And that is it for this video. Thank you all for watching.